Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your billing address on Amazon. It's super easy, so without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your Amazon shopping app. Make sure you have logged in your account. Once you are in your home page, click on your profile. There you'll see 4 options: orders, list, account, buy again. You need to click on your account. A various option will appear. Scroll all the way down till you see your address. Now, here you'll see your address if you have added it. I haven't added my address, so you won't see it. But if you have added your address, you'll see right below the add a new pickup location. There you'll get personal address and all your address and numbers. And below that you'll see edit, remove, set as default. You need to click on remove and a pop-up icon will appear asking you to confirm. You need to click on yes, and that's it. You have successfully deleted your billing address on Amazon. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.